Hi, and welcome to the QBD Vision Administrator's tutorial. As your company's administrator for QBD Vision, you will set up your company according to the account creation guide that your customer success manager will send you. Once that step is complete, you will create a user profile for everyone that will be logging into QBD Vision. User management and permissions are an important part of QBD Vision, and this video will walk you through everything you need to know to successfully execute the administrator's role. Starting here at the home page, you'll go to the Users page by clicking on the System Level menu icon here and choosing Users. This page lists up to 10 of your users. If you have more than 10, you can use the drop-down box here to choose all, or you can go to the next page by clicking here. Let's add a user. Because a user's name is associated with all of the actions and updates they generate within a record, that means it's displayed throughout the entire system. So therefore, at a minimum, we require you to specify a unique name and email for each user. Their email address is used for logins and notifications. So we recommend that you go ahead and enable email notifications here. The identity provider is meant to be used to set up single sign-on with any third-party systems your company might use. We've also provided other fields to give you context for each user. You might want to add their title, their hire date, or their supervisor. The Attachments and Links section lets you store things like resumes, certifications, or any other relevant information. Next is Access and Permissions. Here is where you will define the user's department and role, as well as which projects they are allowed to access. A user's department controls the objects they have permission to modify. We offer 10 different departments in the drop-down box, and within our tooltip here, you can see what each of those have permission to modify. A user's role works in conjunction with their department. Their role further controls their access to projects within QBD Vision. By again clicking on the tooltip, you can see how we've defined each role. Next, in the Access to Projects section, you can click in the box and choose which projects you'd like them to be able to see. This feature is helpful when, for example, you might grant temporary external access to a project for perhaps a consultant or a CDMO. Once you've filled in all the appropriate fields and clicked User Enabled, you're ready to save your user. Your new user will also show here on the list of users. If you want to see an alphabetical list, you can organize this view by clicking on Name, Department, or Role. You now know what you need to do to add a user. Thank you for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.